Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jane Diana Pralsayago Fortrias, and these are the individual video reading the CPC vision, mission, quality policy, and objective of the Institute. Vision. CPSC is a dynamic institution of higher learning which is accessible, globally, competitive, culturally and morally sensitive towards sustainable ecotourism and natural resource development. Mission. Pursuant to Section 3 of Republic Act 7923. The college shall provide professional, technical, and special instruction for special progress and to promote research and extension services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership is in agriculture, forestry, engineering, arts and sciences, and other relevant studies. Quality policy. Camiguin Polytechnic State College, an institution of higher learning in the island of Camiguin, commits to provide quality higher professional, technical instruction, research, extension, and production services, advanced studies, and progressive leadership in agriculture, teacher education, engineering, and computer studies, industrial technology, arts and sciences, tourism, business, and public administration. To achieve this, CPC shall 1. Deliver quality service to stakeholders. 2. Adhere to regulatory requirements, establish professional and ethical standards. 3. Adopt changes in education system as required by law. 4. Forge agreement with the SACs and line agencies locally and internationally. 5. Update the qualification and strengthen competency of faculty members. 6. Improve its key processes and procedures in delivering quality instruction and relevant research and extension services, and pursue the continual improvement on quality management system as a higher learning institution and partner of sustainable development. Institute of Arts and Sciences objective of IAS to provide excellent instruction, trainings, and scholarly activities in the various fields of liberal arts and sciences, to strengthen competency among faculty in instruction, research, creative works, and community involvement, to develop critical and creative thinking skills, ethical conduct, values, consciousness, and appreciation for culture and the arts in the pursuit of excellence, to conduct quality research and extension services that are relevant and responsive to the needs of the community, and to establish linkages with other agencies, non-governmental organizations, and the industry for the partnership and employment opportunities from various stakeholders for mutual sharing of resources.